So in your Facebook page, go to your Facebook account, go to your page that you want to add an admin. This, for example, this is the page I want to add an admin. After that, go to professional dashboard. So after that, go page access. So if you see this, click that one. Okay, you need to click add new. Next, search for the name that you want to add. Make sure you are friend with that. You invite them for a friend. That's the time you can search their name here. Okay. If you are not friend with that person, you cannot search the name. So let's put an example. So this is the person I will add. Okay, since I have more than 5,000 friends, I will edit. Okay, I will accept that one. So I will switch back to my page. Go to professional dashboard. And then page access, add. So this one. Allow this person to have full control. Okay, give access. I'll put in password. So I will accept this one. So this one I will accept that. Review, invite, next, accept. Okay. So not now. So on my Facebook page, on my other Facebook page, I can see this one. I have a new Facebook here, Face 11. So